Hi, I'm Dave, and I just won the Scout giveaway.
You guys ready to see your new Scout?
Heck yeah.
All right.
Here we go.
That's my favorite part. Okay, turn around.
Come in. Get confetti all over you.
Yeah, eat confetti. Come on.
David, I don't know if we showed you this, but you also won that as well.
Yeah, yes.
I don't know if we...
Yeah, I saw the videos and the warehouse and, you know, and the drive-by video. Yeah. It's a red orange.
It is bright.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is beautiful. We're really sad to see it go. Congratulations.
Yeah.
There you go.
Cool.
There's your keys.
Yeah. You can walk up to it. Right?
Yeah, oh yeah, it's yours.
Go ahead.
It's real. It's real. I know you didn't think it was real, but it's real.
I knew that. Sweet.
Here, I'm gonna go.
Sweet. It's awesome. It's awesome. Yeah, it's awesome. I don't know if I've ever had this color in the last 30 years. Yeah.
It's a unique color.
Yes.
Get excited. Is this real?
This transmission, you know, like say the first gear, the 00 or whatever, is clear against the dash. It's very unique within the four-wheel drive shifter. Right back to you. Hop up here, sweetie.
Don't start it.
I wasn't gonna start in here. No cats, carburetor. Yeah, this is cool. These are factory seats that got redone, I believe, right?
Cool. All original.
Yeah.
No, not 100% original, but as original as we can be.
It's awesome. I think you get to look a little bit.
Yeah, absolutely. We have a list of things that Ben's done.
So we use what's called a copper nickel rod, and we actually hand form all the brake lines.
Yeah, I know he couldn't cover it all in his video.
Yeah, they went through and did a ton of stuff at 406 Garage, so we'll get you a list of everything.
Yeah, looks nice.
Yeah.
It smells like a tractor.
Yeah?
It's probably more related to a tractor than anything.
Yeah, there was a lot of 345s that did a lot of work over the decades.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
And it runs good.
Yeah.
I mean,
It is purring. It's doing great.
Yeah.
sounds so good. When I started it up this morning, I was just like, oh yeah.
Yeah.
That is like music to my ears.
Yeah, it's got all new exhaust from the manifolds all the way back.
Yeah.
All new gaskets, new plugs, new wires, new distributor, new cap, new battery, a lot of new wires. Not all the wires are brand new,
Right.
but
It's neat how Ben classifies it or describes it as a preservation.
yeah, this is a preservation
Yeah.
job, not a restoration.
Right.
Yeah.
Not a
Right.
resto mod. The only modification really you could argue would be the roof rack, because the roof racks back then were super sturdy. This one's a lot more sturdy, and we just wanted to make sure that, hey, you can go on adventures with this thing.
Yeah.
So
Seats are awesome. Seats feel
Yeah.
great. They did a really good job on those.
all new suspension,
Yeah.
everything's been done.
But it definitely will become a conversation piece because
Yeah.
like we only drove it back because we had it on a trailer and we had 4 or 5 guys just stop us.
Yeah, you're probably gonna get stopped once or twice.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
You got a couple of goodies down here. I don't know if you saw.
Well, yeah, I saw about the radios.
And you got from Red Dog Tools. They specifically for your Scout. So
Oh, yeah?
put that in the back and have what you need. If
Cool.
hopefully you don't need it, but
Yeah.
if you do, you'll have it. This only has like 120 some miles on it. And
Holy cow.
So Ben went through and did the carburetor, did some work on it. And
It's amazing how close the paint is. Because Ben didn't paint this, right?
No, it's original.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Dave, and I just won the Scout giveaway. When I first got a call from Jade, I started going, oh, wait a minute, I got my order, it's fine. Why is this person calling me? Is there something going on I don't know about? Because I had completely forgotten about the sweepstakes or the giveaway. When it finally sunk in, it was like, hell yeah, this is cool.
And then you started telling everybody at work.
Well, yes, because after that, quite a long conversation with Jade on the phone, got off and then I had coworkers going, what in the world? What in the world? Why were you, being so secretive? I was trying to figure out who this guy was. My coworkers reacted with more excitement than I did initially, I guarantee it, because, one of the new guys, he's just like jumping up, down, hell yeah, we're truck drivers and mechanics, and, the foul language flies in the shop like crazy, which is no big deal, but one of my smart aleck coworkers even apparently emailed you guys to try and get you to play a song that I don't care for when I walked in. I started buying Yankum products after watching the videos of testing and watching some of the other guys out in the field like Rory and Casey and even Heavy D and Eric. Watching those guys take the products out and test them, and then the testing you've done on the ropes and the winch ring really spoke to my previous job as a heavy record driver. I remember the days where you had to be mindful of the blowback area of a wire rope. Fortunately, I've never been hit by one, but I've popped several. The safety in the wire rope, in your synthetic ropes, the weight was something I never considered until I've seen some of the videos where you guys are talking about the weight difference. I love buying equipment made in America anytime I can. If it's made in USA, that is a sign of confidence. In the truck shop that I manage at work, I try as best I can to buy made in America. But my personal stuff, that's my go-to. Buy made in America, and you usually don't have to buy it multiple times. It'll last. My cousins had John Deere, but my grandpa had International and Farmall.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it feels awesome to know that I prepared with the right gear that's gonna hold up. It's it's not gonna shred on me. It's not gonna just come apart when you really need it.
Yeah, Dan retired just last week. These spools here, they have little tiny bundles. So this one strand isn't a single strand. It's full of tons and tons of little tiny itty bitty fibers that are 5% the diameter of a human hair. These are called the payoff creels. You just watch your head. These machines are pneumatic, electric, and hydraulic.
Huh.
So the yarn comes in from the payoff creels, comes in on this side, gets on this arm, on that pulley all the way over to here, and then this twists and runs around the cradle and then builds the spool. Can you eyeball that?
Wow. I can't eyeball 10,000, but yeah, it's.
So let's see.
The light.
Let's see if we can.
Barely.
It's there. Thanks for being a long-term customer with us, and you've been buying ropes from us since 2023.
Has it been? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, when we saw that, we were like, yes, like someone who actually, has purchased. Not that it's bad if you buy a T-shirt and win. Of course, that's cool.
Right.
But and we have a lot of customers that are actually buying T-shirts and different hats, and then they're like, oh, they hear about our products and they want to buy our products, but it's cool to use.
Yeah. I hadn't even looked at the T-shirts at all until Saturday.
Oh,
I was busy looking at the products.
yeah.
But now it's like, okay, now I gotta see the swag,
Yeah.
I'm hoping
How much time
getting out,
is that?
it lives in his shop for.
But that's the cool part
That's
is,
today's date.
I was born in '69.
I'm like, didn't even
I
care.
was like, wait a minute. I was like, that's kind of conscious.
Yeah.
I'm like, okay.
On the first line right there. And this is actually the original title
For the Honda?
for the Honda.
That's
So that makes it more of a collector's
That
item.
is cool.
So-
It's awesome when someone that just puts in for a free entry or drops their email or gets a hat or a T-shirt. That's always awesome when
Yeah.
somebody like that wins. But it's always really special when it's someone that's bought a lot of products from us
Yeah.
over the years. And so,
Yeah, I wish I had the means to, warrant more stuff.
You have a shopping list.
I know, I
You're
got,
already
yeah,
like, I'm gonna walk in
I
and
got
be
a card
like,
going
here
on
you
my phone
go.
right now that I started.
You just gotta make the household appliance argument.
Everything is in our world is at least $5,000 to $10,000. There's nothing ever less. There are more, but it's usually never less than that.
If it's above his limit, he has to ask.
Let's see if you have the stuff to feed the addiction today. All the stuff on my cart. Let's see if you got it. Because you got to feed the addiction.
you might be in the right place.
Yeah, we got
place.
enough of what your addiction needs.
Cool.
I think. What's on your list? You're wanting.
I was looking at a 5/8 high visibility kinetic. Cool.
There's your.
Yeah. Cool.
There's your guy right there.
And then, do you have a trail mate or trail rope?
Yes, sir. Right in that box right there.
Okay.
Heck yeah.
What's the next one?
Do I have to carry it all, or you don't have shopping carts in here, huh?
Dang, yeah, she's got a cart, but it's full.
It's full.
You can put it on the second shelf. there you
Second
go.
shelf right here for you.
that shelf. Yeah. Right
Here, I'll still
Okay,
it from
what
you.
about-
We can put it on the shelf.
Okay. Trail mate or super loop?
See, we got our shopping cart.
Trailmater Super.
Don't worry, this is different.
It's
Second shelf.
I wouldn't put it past him though.
And then
You didn't know the giveaways. We actually forced people to spend what we gave them, right?
for side by sides, do you use the 5/16 soft shackles?
Yeah.
So 3 of the high vis soft shackles in the 5/16.
Which color?
Stay back. We should wait.
Cool. John, you're wanting 1 inch for your truck
Or 1 or 7/8.
for the 3/4 ton diesel?
You want a 1 inch.
1 inch.
And then what color?
Green. Has to be green.
We got green.
What's that?
There's 30.
Now can we go to swag
There we go.
and extra large long live adventure?
Scout Adventure. There we go.
Cool.
Trucker mesh snapback. There we go.
And a sticker bundle.
Sticker.
And I got that over here for you.
Cool.
You're gonna need one of these too.
We actually sell a lot of that's a really popular color.
That's what I told her, and she's like, "You're not paying
John had
$20 for a
a
sticker."
basketball at our house.
I'm like, "But
Painted green.
That was on.
One
That
wall
was
in
on
his
us.
room for a long time. Like everything is green. I'm surprised his
John,
Stick with it.
do you think about a super
and
loop
numbers.
in that to go on the other end of the rope? Because the protecting sleeve will help it go around. Like if you have to go to an A-frame, possibly, or
Yeah. And our new our HD one's actually really cool.
So
For that
that's
reason.
the big J.
So this is the hook like the old
yeah.
in your world. You used to
Yeah.
see the old.
Oh yeah, the metal
hooks.
J hooks. Yeah.
You know,
And
it's
then
the same
we've
thing,
got
just a
For that
and a
size.
softer HMPE version. And then that's this, and then David, this is the soft shackle. So same concept. If you want to wrap around something that you don't,
Would you scan this, please?
It's not a dry
Okay,
bag,
better
but
see where we're at.
hold a lot of water.
I didn't know he had a shopping list as well.
Like father, like son.
he ends up with more than you.
Yeah.
Par for the course.
Cool.
I know.
I didn't ask. She gave.
You're gonna need one of these too.
We actually sell a lot of that's a really popular color.
What are you doing for your daughter so we don't have to hear?
Oh no.
Hey, we've already heard you left me off of the conversation.
Right.
If you leave her off of the shopping list, I think you're probably going to be in trouble.
Yeah. I don't know, dear. What would you recommend?
Yeah, you can't forget the girl.
Do you want to look at a hoodie for her?
So these are called our Liberty hoodies. So
Okay.
they have I have green and black.
Yeah, that was the green I was showing you that
They
I
have
didn't
this
know.
on the front.
Okay.
And they're like
they
a really
have the flag
thin.
on the back, but they're thinner.
For Megan?
You guys want? Should we just put this in a box? Would that work good?
Can I just like put it in a box
In a
as I get
box.
it rung up?
Yeah.
We round up to 170, 1,170, because we don't do pennies, but we take tips. I'm just kidding.
You'll fly it.
I heard you say you're giving it $20. I'll take that.
Yeah, keep the feet.
They aren't green yet.
Jane's gonna ride the Honda over to the hotel, right?
Yeah.
We actually agreed upon that before.
You haven't had it running today, have you?
Yeah, not today.
Yeah. Cool. 198 miles, like you
It's
said.
actually a really cool bike.
Yeah.
It's so much fun. We've tooled around on it in the warehouse
Right,
in the parking
yeah.
lot, but
Popping wheelies on Main Street.
it can't pop
Oh.
a wheelie with me on it.
Did you try the rear foot pegs?
Oh yeah.
Big question is, which one of these guys is going to be more upset with the Honda going away, Jade or Alan?
They were both
Sorry,
riding it at the
wrong
same
way.
time, so.
That's gonna have to be
We tried.
maybe we'll do a poll. Who's gonna be the saddest?
Yeah.
Yeah.
David, congratulations. This is awesome. This is a
It's
ton of
awesome.
fun.
Thank you.
Yeah.
This is great,
Thank you,
man.
Alan.
And thanks for being
Thank
such
you.
a loyal
Thank
customer
you,
for
Jade.
so long.
This is awesome.
too.
Yes. Looking forward to years of messing around with your equipment.
Awesome.
Seeing if I can get myself out of trouble.
Awesome. Well, and if you ever get any really cool recoveries, especially with this guy,
Yeah.
please send it to us.
Yep.
We'd love to see
Make sure no wheelies on the
I'll do my
90,
best.
okay?
Yeah.
Make sure you don't do anything too crazy.
I don't want to blow out the new knee.
Oh yes, yeah. You can't blow out the name. We appreciate you guys. This is so fun.
We appreciate
Thanks for
you.
coming and meeting you guys and
Thank you.
thanks so much. Enjoy your new toys.
Yes.
Well, guys, thank you. We're on to now giveaway number 4, which that's gonna happen.
real soon. We're
Very soon.
gonna be announcing it any day, so stay tuned. And it's really cool.
Oh.